This is chicken tapa because yesterday I cooked chicken plow, so I keep 2 pieces of chest or legs. So I marinate this one. So I will put now oil here and I'll put now this one because they like too much this one. Always the request to cook. So when I cook biryani or chicken fly or chicken curry, I keep piece of breast chicken. Then I cut like this. I don't have available soy sauce. That's why it's white. And this is for additional for our dinner after iftari. And today is 8 days of Ramadan fasting. And today is February 26 and today is Thursday. So this one I will cook this one. Pulses. They call it choli. Dried beans. So I boil first this one in pressure cooker for 6 minutes. Then I make masala. Then I will saute garlics, onion, then tomatoes. Then put masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. So ito yung recipe ko ngayon. Now I will add this onion rings because my husband he like to put onion rings. So this is similar to chicken tapa or chicken steak. And then some green chilies also because he like also spicy. Ayan. One large onion I cut like this onion rings. And then this tomato also. Ayan. Now we have to cover it. Now we can check it. You can smell the aroma. It's like adobo or tapa or chicken steak. So I have to turn off now the flame. This is already cooked. Now we can divide this into 5 because we are 5. So for our dinner after iftari. Because I will cook also today pulses. So this is additional. And I have also extra plau last night. So I will not cook rice today. And then I cook also salted mixed vegetables. I have also there. These carrots, organic tubers of radish, carrots, and cabbage. Then I put little bit fried roast flake chicken. So this is enough. Now we have to cover again and we have to turn off now the flame because this already cooked.